Hi, I'm Chris, and this is Go Small, Go Now Sailing. Join me while I take my boat, Compass Rose, of Bayfield 29, on a solo sailing adventure here in Nova Scotia, taking on the elements and checking out all the beauty this province has to offer. Hey guys, no, it's been a minute, but today we're going to get out and do a little sailing. Right now, you might notice that we are out on the water, but that's just because we're on a mooring ball, so gonna sail on and off that because the shaft is still broken. The machine shop just hasn't got it back to us yet. We're still waiting on that. It was supposed to be done last week and there was no word on it this week, so hopefully we get it back next week. And then that weekend we're actually going to be doing a big race, so it might not get done that weekend, but I should be back in the water sailing in about 2 weeks time. But today we're going to get out sailing. It's really light winds, but it should be good. We're just going to sail off the mooring ball. Other than that, the only thing I've really been getting up to is Wednesday and Thursday night racing, and I jumped in off the boat the other day, did a little swimming, and cleaned the hull, so I'll cut some of that footage in. But yeah, today we're just going to go out and sail around Halifax, see if we can't find some good wind anywhere. It is really light right now, so I'm hoping that it picks up a little bit over the course of the day, because we still don't have an engine, so this could get interesting. You put your main up and then you backwind your jib to get you on the direction that you want to go, and once you pick up a little bit of momentum, you can just pull right off. You can do the same thing with pulling off the anchor. Set your main, push on off, set your jib, and within half a boat length to a boat length you should be powered up and ready to go. So one thing that just happened today is while setting up my main, I was dropping my topping lift, and when I went to go tighten it back up, the cleat that it sits on, one of the screws came out, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Just right here, it just broke off, so I got it screwed or tied to it'll work for today because the winds are supposed to stay light all day. So this is Sebastian and Sarah. They just came out here to be on the ball for the evening. They're some good friends, good peeps. You've met them on the Working on Tom's video. And if you haven't seen that one, it's worth a watch. It's kind of funny. All right, so the wind is like super light today. There's barely anything. So much so that there's like a little 20-footer in front of me. He's barely moving as well. Yeah, we'll go out, check Purcell's puff, and then we'll see. We've made it out to the end of Armdale here, finally, and yeah, that took a minute to get out here. There's just not a whole lot of wind, so I'm gonna sail back up Armdale because most of the boats out here with their sails up just aren't moving. So because I got no engine and there's no guarantee that the wind's gonna pick up because it's actually supposed to drop off tonight. As you can see, we're all just kind of sitting out here. Everybody else is motoring and it's just flat calm. I'm gonna turn around and head back in. There we go. No, it's not. It's actually nice. Come on, Jordan. Okay. just gonna get the spot that the yard guys missed when they were pressure washing the hull. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but we're just going down and scraping it. Scraper.